What if I told you that one fuzzy little fruit could boost your immunity, fix your digestion, protect your heart, sharpen your brain, and even help you sleep better? And it's been quietly doing this for centuries. Meet the vibrant green superfruit, kiwi. But before we talk about what kiwi does to your body, let's go back in time. Kiwi fruit originally grew in China, where it was known as the Chinese gooseberry more than 700 years ago. It was valued in traditional Chinese medicine for digestion and vitality. In the early 1900s, kiwi seeds were taken to New Zealand, where farmers cultivated the fruit, improved its sweetness, and renamed it kiwi fruit after the country's iconic bird. From there, kiwis spread around the world and became a global favorite. And today, scientists are fascinated by it. Kiwi is one of the most vitamin-rich fruits on Earth. One kiwi contains more vitamin C than an orange, vitamin K for blood health, folate for cell repair, potassium for heart function, and fiber for digestion. Kiwi also contains actinidin, a natural enzyme that helps break down protein and improves digestion. And it's loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation and aging. What happens to your body when you start eating kiwi? 1. Your immune system gets supercharged. Thanks to its massive vitamin C content, kiwi strengthens your defenses and helps you fight infections. 2. Your digestion improves fast. The fiber and actinidin enzyme reduce bloating and help your stomach work more efficiently. 3. Your heart gets protected. Kiwi helps lower blood pressure, reduce clotting, and improve cholesterol levels. Your heart becomes healthier. 4. Your brain gets sharper. Antioxidants protect brain cells and support mental clarity. 5. Your sleep gets better. Kiwi contains serotonin-supporting compounds that may improve sleep quality when eaten in the evening. Eating kiwi regularly has been linked in studies to reduced inflammation and improved blood vessel function. Start taking kiwi today, and your body will feel the difference. Comment kiwi in the comments section. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for daily herbology, superfoods, and natural health secrets. Your body deserves the best.